Mohamed Adawe is on his way to a Mogadishu hospital to test out his prototype. After hearing about a man who died of COVID-19 because he didn't have access to oxygen or a ventilator, the 21-year-old inventor decided to build his own.
I swear in the name of Allah, the situation in the country and coronavirus is very critical. People are dying of coronavirus and a lack of oxygen because there are very few ventilators in the country.
Somalia has one of the highest coronavirus death tolls in the region at over 50 and more than 1,000 cases. At the same time, the country's healthcare system is ill-equipped to deal with the pandemic. There are only 19 ventilators available for a population of around 15 million.
What we need for the time being urgently.
Health Minister Dr. Fouzia Abikar Noor says the situation is urgent and has praised Adawe for stepping up at the critical moment for Somalia. As for the inventor, he's asking for help. Though his ventilator is a basic concept, in a country where most hospitals only have handheld oxygen pumps, he's convinced his homemade machine can save lives. Adawe says he could make 20 more, but he doesn't have the financial means.